Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s. And there's Cricket. Cricket's riding shotgun. We are riding basically just around the block today. I hope I'm gonna stay in frame. But yeah, maybe not. But I'm hoping so. And today I am starting up something back that has been on my channel before. You may or may not have been on my channel when this was going on. But if, sorry, my camera that I usually film this on is dead. So you're gonna have to forgive me for today's video. I had to charge my camera up, so I am filming on my phone, and the apparatus that I use in my car does not hold this camera. So, you know, I'm just basically sort of on a wing and a prayer. So you'll have to just bear with me. And there's the grandbaby's seats in the back. But anyway, yeah. So I'm just gonna stay in the neighborhood today and just ride around to film this edition of something that I used to do on my channel called Palette Tune Trivia. Yeah, and it is so much fun. And since COVID hit and I was not going to work and riding in my car, I kind of let Palette Tune Trivia go to the wayside, but it is so much fun. And I'm going to be starting this back up, and it may be just that I ride around my neighborhood, but I'm going to try to make it more exciting than that and at least go to Starbucks. But yeah, I have definitely got to do something with getting me, well, I can do it on my other camera, on my vlogging camera. I just have to hook up my vlogging camera, get the hookup for my vlogging camera, as in charge the battery. So anyway, if you don't know, Palette Tune Trivia is where I take a palette, the name of a palette, something about the palette, and I link it to a song. And my voice is not that good. I'm not Miss Andrea over at Arkansas Gals. Oh, I wish, man, I should do this with Andrea and make her sing the song for me. But anyway, I do sing a bit of the song. And see if you can guess the song. And your guess to the song, which is the palette name, is what I put in the random comment picker. And yeah, that's how you win the palette. So you can cheat. There's an easy way to cheat. All you got to do is look at some of the other guesses. That's how you cheat. So it's really not that hard to win. So yeah, if you can't figure it out, you just, you know, Google it, you know, by some of the words in the song. I'm giving you the way to cheat. Or you just cheat by looking at other people's entries. That's how you cheat. But it's really, really fun. So anyway, I'm going to sing a bit of the song. And so, and this one is really, really hard, because it's really hard for me to remember the lyrics to the song, because it goes kind of fast. And dude, it's just really hard, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it or not. But anyway, that's part of the fun of it, is because if I can't do it, you get to see me look like an idiot. So but it starts off anyway, there's part of it that I can do, but it goes, hang on, I'm gonna have to cheat already. Let's see, hang on. Hang on, I have to cheat. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. 47 deadbeats living in the back street. East, north, west, south, all in the same house. sitting in the back room waiting for the big boom. I'm in the bedroom waiting for my baby. She's so mean, but I don't care. I love her eyes and her wild, wild hair. Dance to the beat that we love best. Headed for the 90s, living in the... Okay, that's all you get. That's it. Okay, so now here's the trivia part. So the next 3 words in the song, 2 of those words are the name of a new palette. Okay, now I've reviewed this palette sorta on my channel. The palette is gorgeous. It is from a cult favorite brand. Yeah, and I have had some really cool pics of this palette on Instagram. So yeah, let me know what you think the palette name is. 2 words, which is the name of the palette, is going to be put into the random comment picker for the win. So yeah, the name of the palette will be put in. So good luck, everybody. It is a pretty pricey palette. There's another clue. It's a pretty pricey palette. It's in the $40 price range. Full price, almost a $50 palette. So yeah, there's another clue. Let me know your best, or leave your best guess below, and good luck to everybody. And I hope that you have enjoyed this edition of Palette Tune Trivia. I will be having another edition next month. I've already got the palette picked out and the tune. So we will try to keep this going once a month, monthly Palette Tune Trivia. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this. Leave me a big thumbs up if you do like it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you in my next video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed this edition of Palette Tune Trivia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.